Inside the Tefillin boxes, there's the text, the sections from the Torah, which are called the Parshios. The Tefillin has written inside on the parchment there's 4 Parshios from the Torah. Okay, this is the hand Tefillin. I'm showing you this one because you can see each one of the 4 sections from the Torah that are written by a sofer with a feather, just like this, on the parchment. This is parchment. Now, the reason why there's these 4 sections from the Torah is because there's 4 times in the Torah where Hashem commands us to wear the tefillin, and in each one of these sections from the Torah where it mentions the mitzvah of tefillin, it says that we should wear them as a sign upon our arm and as a remembrance or a sign between our eyes. There's different ways that the Torah refers to the mitzvah each time, but that's the idea, is that we should wear these words as a reminder on our arm and between our eyes on our head. So the sign on the arm refers to the hand tefillin. Between our eyes is a reference to the tefillin shel rosh, the tefillin which goes on the head. So the sofer is writing each letter with a feather on the parchment, and once the parchment is done and rolled, it is inserted into the tefillin boxes just like this. So this is the hand tefillin. It's rolled, and it will go into the box. And obviously, it's wrapped and it's tied with the hair. Right now, I'm just trying to show you the idea of what the parshios are, and they're going inside the boxes just like this. So this will go into the box like this. Now the head tefillin is also a similar idea. You have 4 sections from the Torah. Here you can see is the parsha of Shema, and this is the 3rd parsha, which goes inside the tefillin. The head tefillin, each one is on its own piece of parchment. Again, it's handwritten by a sofer with a feather on the parchment. Unlike the hand tefillin, the rosh tefillin, the parshios, the text is folded, and it's put inside to each one of the compartments in the shel rosh. Has 4 compartments, and each one gets 1 section of the klaf, the parchment, which goes inside of the bias. And obviously, again, it's wrapped with a matlis and with cyrus. But just to show you the idea is that inside each tefillin box, you have the parsha, the text, which is handwritten by a sofer.